All right, sit down. You say, what is up, everybody?
Yeah, I want to eat.
All right, what is up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Mail Time. He's already trying to open this thing, so this just arrived, and I figured we would just open it real quick, share it with you guys, and not really have to wait till next week and all that fun stuff. So let me cut it, and then you can open it, okay?
Okay.
I won't peek.
I just did this.
Watch your fingers, please. Keep your hands to yourself.
I did the piece like I know what to do. I did that piece.
Keep your hands to yourself. Okay. All right, let's open it up. What do we got?
Okay, I don't need you to peek.
Oh, you want me to peek?
No.
Okay, you open it. You explain it to everybody what it is.
No. Oh, Monster Trucks 2!
What? What? What did you get? You got all kinds of stuff. Hold on, let's read this. Wow, dude. Thank you, man. It says, at Havoc Factory _71. Dane, I just got a 5.3 for my Chevelle. That's how I found your channel. Now I want a turbo, thanks. Here are monster trucks for Wes. Thank you very much, man. That's very cool. Show everybody what you got. What'd you get?
Monster Truck!
Oh, man. He is actually very excited. That's pretty good. Thanks, man. All right, we got a little envelope here. Oh, sweet. I think there's... All right, you want to get down, take your monster trucks? Hey, what do you say?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Joseph.
Thank you, Joseph. Wait, that's
Oh, I'm sorry. It's Josh. This is Josh.
Thank you, Josh.
Say thank you, Josh. Sorry, bud. And we got some sweet stickers. Check those out.
Can I see?
That is rad. Here, you want the little one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Hey, thank you.
Thank you.
He's gonna go put him on his track. Check this.
The door.
Okay, hold on. Oh, that's funny. He ran inside to go show his mom. All right, looks like that is cool. So I'm gonna stick. I think I'm gonna put one of these on a laptop, on the tuning laptop, and then we'll throw one up on the wall of shame. Although I would recommend you gotta throw your hashtag on there, man, or your Instagram, so when people have them, they know who it is. I'd made that mistake with Uncle Gus when I first made him. I didn't put the hashtag or anything on it, or the address, I guess you will. And all right, looks like we got a shirt. This is sweet. Oh, that is awesome, dude. Havoc Factory. That is cool. Obviously, maybe it looks like you do some sort of autocross or something, running cones down. Direct garment printed. That is very cool, man. Thank you very much. That made my rainy day. The guy just delivered it. That made my rainy day. The guy just delivered it. I didn't know if it was parts or what. So, awesome. Thank you very much, man. Once again, is Josh, Havoc Factory. So there is his IG. You want to go check it out? And that is cool. You made my son's day, so he's definitely going to go make use of those right now with all his other monster trucks. And I don't think he had some of those, which is cool too, because he does have a lot of those things. So thank you very much, man. You guys are all awesome. Keep it locked. We're going to work on the Twinnebago some more. And that's it. Hopefully this rain lets up so we can go take the Malibu out too, because I'm itching, man. I'm out.